So the hits keep coming. I turned this on last night because it got really cold, and in the middle of the night smelt gas, and I thought, that's weird. I'm not used to smelling that much. It usually doesn't have an odor, but so my brother installed this. There's a top that goes right here, goes over this. This is our clothes closet. But when he did it, he did not make sure that that fuel line cleared the top, and it has cracked it. So I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess, I don't know. Yeah, so I have been cleaning up diesel that has leaked out all over my bus. Awesome. Yeah, I just turned it on again and started smelling it really badly, but I checked the outside line, and because that was what was leaking before, and it just wasn't tight enough, and I fixed it. And this time I thought, okay, well, cool, it's fixed, it's good, it's tight, we should be good. I didn't think about getting under here and and checking when I should have. Oh man. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know what to do. So, the sink project kicked my butt today. I didn't get anywhere on that. And the roof project kicked me in my butt. And now this is kicking me in my butt. Okay. But I love my bus. Oh, I just gotta fix all of the errors so that we can continue on. Anyway.